Welcome to Model 3. This one's going to make people very uncomfortable. We're talking about your broker, and I'm going to explain something that once you understand, you'll never look at your trading the same way again. Lesson 1 explains A book and B book in plain simple language. A book, your order goes to an LP, the broker earns a spread. B book, the broker takes the other side. Your loss is their profit. B book is 20 to 50 times more profitable per trade, and with 70 to 80% of retail traders losing, the math heavily favors the broker. Lesson 2 reveals the hybrid model, what every sophisticated broker actually runs. No one does a pure A or B book anymore. Their system profiles every account and routes dynamically. Losing traders get B booked, winning traders get A book. Large traders get hedged regardless. Some systems evaluate per trade, not just per account. Your small little Euro-US dollar trade might stay internal while your large gold trade before NFP gets routed to an LP. Lesson 3 is the most eye-opening. I describe the client classification system from the inside. From day one, the system watches deposit patterns, stop loss usage, win rates, holding time, instruments, time of the day. After 60 to 90 days, you're classified. Consistent loser, a break-even, consistent winner, or a toxic flow. Each category gets different treatment, and the classification isn't permanent. Improve your trading and you get reclassified. Lesson 4 gives you 6 actionable principles for navigating the broker relationship. Choose based on business model alignment, monitor execution quality, understand swap charges, diversify brokers, test with small live accounts, and treat your broker as a business partner, not friend or enemy. In Model 4, we decode spreads and slippage, the hidden language of the market. These aren't costs, they are signals.